You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I know it's quite confusing with all those letters, all those vowels. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned. More pronunciations video coming up. 2 different pronunciations, I'm afraid, are correct in English. Deification, that's US pronunciation. Deification, or the British English pronunciation, UK, deification, deification or deification. Which one do you use and where are you from? Let us know in the comments what is your pronunciation from where. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.